I'm sure you guys heard about cybersecurity, but you're not really sure what it is. Well, let me try and break it down, guys, as simple as possible so even a 7-year-old can understand what cybersecurity is. Imagine, guys, you have a cookie jar. It's your favorite thing in the world. Now imagine your annoying cousin Timmy keeps trying to steal your cookies. Now, what do? You guard the jar. You lock the lid. You hide it under your bed. And boom. Congratulations, guys. You just invented cybersecurity. And honestly, you might already be doing better job than most Fortune 500 companies. Now, what is the cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is all about protecting things that live in computers. Your emails, your passwords, your money, your cat photos, all that digital treasure. It's about keeping the bad guys out. The hackers, the scammers, and sometimes Dave from accounting, who still uses password 123. Not good. Cybersecurity is like building a digital fortress, because apparently the internet is wild, wild west, but with less horseback and more ransomware. Now, why is it so important, you might say? Well, everything is online now. Banks, schools, hospitals, even your pizza. So if someone breaks into those systems, they don't just steal your emails. They can shut down a hospital, steal millions of dollars, or leak your entire search history. And remember, guys, no, incognito mode can't save you. Cybersecurity is important because people store their entire lives online. Criminals don't need to break into your house. They can just break into your inbox. One good phishing email, and boom, your whole company is toast. Now, what kind of people work in cybersecurity? Well, cybersecurity folks are basically digital firefighters, except of putting out fires. They're stopping people from stealing your identity, draining your bank account, or bricking your grandma's iPad. Here are some of the cool jobs that people do in cybersecurity. First of all, SOC analyst. They watch logs like they're decoding the matrix. Ethical hacker? Well, they break into the systems, but legally to test their resistance. Incident responder? The person you call when everything hits the fan. And CISO? The boss of the chaos. Think of them as the digital Gandalf screaming, "You shall not pass!" at the hackers. Now, what are they protecting us from? Well, the main threats include things like phishing. Phishing are fake emails pretending to be your boss, your bank, or even Beyonce. Malware is a bad software that turns your laptop into a sad, smoky brick. Ransomware? Hackers lock your stuff and say, pay us or lose everything. Insider threats? Yes. Even Susan from HR can be a hacker too if she's grumpy enough. And the wild part? These threats are getting smarter, faster, and sometimes automated with AI. Yep, the robots have entered the chat. Now, what can we do? Even if you're not in cybersecurity, you can still be a cyber hero. Easy things we can do is use strong and unique passwords. No, not your dog's name and your birth year. Turn on multi-factor authentication, aka the bouncer at your login. And don't click links that say, urgent, your Amazon account has been exploded. And remember, guys, update your software. Yes, even that annoying pop up, it's patching the hole that hackers already know about. So guys, next time you hear the word cybersecurity, don't tune out like it's just another IT buzzword. It's the reason your identity hasn't been sold on a dark web just yet. And if you're still using the same password for Netflix and your bank account, you're the reason while we have jobs. Guys, drop a computer emoji in the comments if you learned something new or changed a password mid-video. Subscribe for more cybersecurity truths, sarcasm-fueled wisdom, and digital safety that actually makes sense. And most importantly, guys, stay safe out there.